Amen.
Launching of Alliance for Foot Soldiers Advocacy, AFA, AFFA for short. So we are here this morning to address the gathering here and the people of Ghana. Leaders joining us this morning, we have our President, very much Adobedi Akon. Our Executive Secretary, Mr. Daniel Anuakutechi. We also have our Director of Operations, Owa from Togo. We have our PR,
Deputy Director of Operations. Deputy Director.
Joining us this morning. We have the Director of Operations, a member of the Amasama SWAT team. For once, that is Jojo Steve. We have Maru, we have McLaurin. We also have Farouk Tema. We also have David Jani. We have Clement Amasama, Genevieve. We have a member of the Consignment Association in Ghana here, Mr. Matibu. We also have Obibu Sefu joining us. Where is Zach?
Zach, what there?
Thank you very much. We have Akwesi Bedu joining us. We have Martin Apari. We have Dani Chibi. We have Henry Wright. Shakor. Where is Shakor? Shaker. How are you? He's not here. We also have Ken Sapo, Eric Obuju, and myself. My name is Mesiwa PPH.
Dr. Bakope.
So, without wasting much time, officially we are supposed to start at exactly 10 years. So apologies to the media men who came very early. So I'll hand over to the President to give us the opening remarks before the actual presentation.
When the guy ask him, okay, I don't know where it is.
Good morning, our friends from the media. Good morning, fellow food students. As our name suggests, we are an advocacy group. We'll do a little exercise this morning. When I say AFA, then you say voice for the voiceless. AFA.
Voice for the voiceless.
AFA.
Voice for the voiceless.
AFA.
Voice for the voiceless.
Thank you very much. The name Food Soldier simply defines our role. We are the base of every political group, and we do the groundwork for every political activity. There is the need for us to be recognized, and this is the time. Our vision is very simple: to be known and to be very important in decision-making, in government appointments, in party administration, and others. We also want to use our voice to benefit in getting jobs, scholarships, and business support from government and the party. Before we will achieve this, we will need a little or a more attributes from our members as well, which should be cooperation and coordination. So we use this platform also to entreat our members to refrain from using AFA in declaring or pushing any agenda for any leader, being presidential or whatsoever. AFA stands for food soldiers. So whatever happens, it is for the food soldiers. There is one last I want to touch on, then we'll proceed to the main reason why we are here. There is this misconception. AFA is not a militia group. AFA is not here to fight government. AFA is not here to fight government appointee or any government policy. We are here as partners to develop the party and the government. Thank you very much.
Please, we are also live on Facebook, Ochima TV. Like the page, share for the rest of the world. Know what is happening here live as far as the message. We also have one of the young entrepreneurs in Ghana here, doing stepping stone, local for people, achievements of the people who live in the journal. And joining us here by Dave Asantua. Please, after the presentation, you are free to ask any question. Thank you very much. So without wasting much time, let me hand over to the speaker, Mr. Obi Waibu.
All right. I don't know whether. Hello and good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the media. You are warmly welcome to this all-important maiden press conference by the leadership of Alliance for Food Soldiers Advocacy, popularly known as AFA, despite the short notice. We also want to appreciate the presence of senior food soldiers and party members who have taken time off their busy schedules to join this all-important occasion. We are very grateful. My name is John Davis, popularly known as Upem Woyome in the media or social media circles. I am the spokesperson for AFA together with my colleague here, Joseph Kwashi. We are two handling that position as PROs for the group, and we will be handling or addressing you in that capacity as PROs for the occasion. Also with us here, our colleague, functional executive committee members who have already been introduced to us. Ladies and gentlemen, the Alliance for Food Soldiers Advocacy, also known as AFA, is a voluntary association. It's a voluntary association of MPP food soldiers across the 275 constituencies in Ghana. In fact, we have some of our members abroad. Although the group is new, the enthusiasm with which members and sympathizers of NPP have embraced it has skyrocketed our membership from hundreds into tens of thousands, if not millions, within just a week. AFA is an oasis of hope for the voiceless, just as indicated by our president. And we are here to champion the welfare of food soldiers to help break the 8-year jinx of the two leading political parties in Ghana. And we are looking forward that come January 7, 2025, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo shall successfully hand over power to another MPP government. I dive into the reason for which you have been called here this morning, kindly permit me, on behalf of AFA and on my own behalf, to congratulate His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, for his victory in the December 7, 2020 presidential election, and to wish him and his team well in his second term. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow patriots, the time has come to give new meaning to the word food soldier and the term food soldierism. The era where party grassroots were used as election machines and abandoned afterwards is and must be over now. It is rather unfortunate that party food soldiers who do all the groundwork, that is pasting of posters, mounting of banners and billboards, embarking on outreaches like door-to-door campaigns, entering ghettos to do campaigns, failing rally grounds, joining demonstrations, and defending the party on all media platforms, oftentimes sidelined when appointments are being made. This is very, very sad. It is high time the voices of food soldiers are well considered and captured in the decision-making and governance process of the country. Our party, the New Patriotic Party, undoubtedly is the best political party in Ghana. We have an enviable track record in the prudent management of the country. And indeed, it is for nothing that our motto is development in freedom. The successes chalked by the NPP government, by dint of hard work, competence, and discipline, must not be left to chance to the NDC. In fact, we in the NPP have proven to be better than the NDC in all spheres of nation building. In education, we are better. In health delivery, we are better. In infrastructure, we are better. In security, we are better. In agriculture and food security, we are better. In the rule of law, we are better. In economic management, we are better. In the fight against corruption, we are better. But, ladies and gentlemen, the unfortunate situation is that when it comes to caring for the grassroots of the party, we have performed or proven to be worse. Yes. We seem to only remember food soldiers during electioneering campaign. And that attitude must also stop now. The parliamentary results of the just ended December 7, 2020 election must be a wake-up call for all of us, including the party leadership and people in higher authority in government, because we cannot afford to allow power to slip from our hands in 2024. And indeed, I dare say that what happened recently in Parliament, if it's anything to go by, if our leadership or government or party want to know how opposition will be post-2024, they should look back at what happened in Parliament and see what the NDC party will do to our dear MPP party. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, one of the major reasons why the Ghanaian voter since 1992 tend to change the mandate of the NPP, regardless of its superior performance than the NDC, is primarily because of the neglect of party food soldiers. Our record in the past must be a guiding principle. Despite all the good works by the Kufuor administration between 2001 and 2009, the Ghanaian decided to remove the NPP from office in spite of the introduction of super good initiatives like the National Health Insurance Scheme, the Metro Mass Transport System, the free maternal care. They still voted against us. And I do remember that in the heat of the runoff, we said that there were people in Ashanti region did not go out to vote. And I'm sure if the party or government had taken pains to take care of food soldiers, we wouldn't have found ourselves in such a situation. NPP food soldiers who felt marginalized at the time simply did not go out to vote in 2008. And the few who did indeed voted against us. This is a sacrosanct fact. Until we, the MPP, appreciate the basic denominator that scoring A's in all the key performance indicators in good governance is meaningless unless it commiserates with the foot soldiers' welfare. It will be difficult to make headway. The time has come for the MPP to strive beyond normal to reduce apathy within our ranks by empowering the grassroots and foot soldiers. Government appointees must make it a sacrosanct obligation to bring foot soldiers closer, give them jobs, support their businesses, support them to acquire skills or learn a trade, make scholarships available for them to acquire higher learning, and they shall forever be indebted and grateful to the NPP party. It is for this reason why the position or a position like the head of scholarship secretariat must be given to a true proper foot soldier. I take it again. It is for the above stated reason why a position like the head of scholarship secretariat must be given to a true and proper foot soldier or patron. And the likes of Yao Priako, our Deputy Director of Communications, the likes of Kofi Ofosu, we know can do a better job in such positions. Ladies and gentlemen, AFA is by this press conference making a passionate appeal to President Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, to hear the cry of MPP foot soldiers. We plead with him to appoint persons who do not only have the qualifications, but also have the grassroots at heart. There are some immediate past appointees, current and former party executives, who have demonstrated immeasurable commitment, sacrifices, and support to MPP foot soldiers. It is our solemn wish and hope that His Excellency the President will appoint such appointees, will appoint such individuals, or reappoint such appointees whose interest will only be to protect the interests and seek the plight of the ordinary foot soldier and party member. At this moment, we would like to acknowledge a few of such people who distinguished or have distinguished themselves over the period. Mr. Kofi Nkansa, or Ofosu Nkansa, who is the CEO of the Accra Digital Center, in the last 4 years, I'm sure we can all collectively agree, was such an individual. Mr. Nana Appiah, popularly known as Virus, of the State Housing Company, is also one such individual. Mrs. Akosia Menu, who until recently was the Deputy CEO for the National Youth Authority and formerly of the Office of the First Lady, I'm sure qualifies to also make the list. Now, Mr. Vincent Yao Priako, who is the Deputy Director of Communication, popularly referred to as Wafa Yao Priako, also deserves to be mentioned. Also, another Deputy Director of Communications for the party, Madam Jennifer Quinn, has also been widely commended by foot soldiers. Mr. Jeff Kasim, who is the Deputy Greater Accra Regional Organizer, has also used this time for the interest of party soldiers. I can conclude this list without mentioning Mr. Abdul Wahab Hanan, the CEO of the National Buffer Stock Company, who went to the extent of making it his personal project of sponsoring or supporting every single constituency in the northern part of the country. Dr. Lydia Jani Selby, who is also the CEO of the National Health Insurance Authority, I know supported most constituencies with free health screening and supported or was involved during the campaign or electioneering process. Though we are here in the South, We also took notice of lawyer Joyce Opoku Boateng, who is the Deputy CEO of the Middle Belt Authority, who we understand is doing marvelously well for foot soldiers and party members in the middle sector of the country. The chairman for Tema West constituency, Chairman Nana Boateng, also made a way on the list. The former Greater Accra Regional Organizer, who until now is the Greater Accra Regional Coordinator for NADBO, Mr. Archibald Gordner, has also been mentioned by foot soldiers. Indeed, my senior patriot and senior foot soldier, Mr. Bernard Odro Nyako, is also a known party activist and one of us and deserves to be mentioned. Mr. John Kuma, the CEO of NEIP, who is also a founding member. Okay. Mr. John Kuma, CEO of NEIP, also made the list. Last but not on the list, on our list is Madame Ama Frimpoma, the Managing Director for SIC Company. The list is endless, but because of time constraints, I will end the list here and continue with the statement. Fellow party members, ladies and gentlemen of the media, the aforementioned individuals are people with unblemished track record whose appointment AFA believes will go a long way to serve the interests of MPP foot soldiers. We also admonish other would-be appointees of the government to make a conscious effort in prioritizing the welfare of foot soldiers. Before I conclude, let me place on record that HAFA has not been compromised by anybody to do his or her bidding. This is a genuine appeal by genuine people and represents the voice of the party foot soldiers. Finally, let me commend you, the media, for the yeoman's job you did before, during, and after the elections. Information dissemination is critical to national development. Giving accurate and situational reports on election from the 16 regions of the country is an arduous task, but you performed with distinction. The maxim that the media is the fourth estate of the realm has once again been reaffirmed, and history will vindicate your contribution towards the growth of Ghana multi-party democracy. God bless you all, and thank you for coming. We are very grateful. Who will do the summary? Okay, summary by can someone do this briefly?
But the top not to read the.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yes, we will do it here.
Go.
Hello. Thank you very much, Mr. Obeku. Before we take the questions from the media, we want to summarize everything. So,
okay. Ebusafo Mr. Mwede, me fluent in English, but you better try kakra just for the purposes of our membership and as viewers are omunyina ebia bibinti no brofono na ntiase enkoyie. The stress mo de becha me say amba out ye ti say brofona. Ebusafo mitiamo anopa ewie na me mamu nyina akwaba eba ende ye press conference edikan aye ekuo aye afra no the Alliance for Foot Soldiers Advocacy aye ekuo aye membership anase omo join ni nyina free emia anase all the 16 regions of the country and ye form ekuo na ekuo se na ye president edikan kan okoto kasemu yenye militia group and I need to say protect your interest. Now so you can say a platform and I say Jinabra Bia Ebema Food Soldiers and our party menina akasa with one common interest or voice. Sani SSB who were in Granza, who were Tetima, who were a Amasamai and now we cross a Asim Fusukwa, Wosu Ubena or Kasama for Edewonsa Atuja. Inti Equine and Yato Insa Afra Muse Mumrei. Na Ayamon was a Equine on the 2nd of January at the Food Soldiers Party. I am bro 1 week near no, and Yadotua on our former platform no, April over 1,300 plus. Yasan wa afufro bebria, yan formuko and to platform no so no. Wait the GDA, Ghana for our MPP, Ekuo Ayati. Answer na metre butaitia and ne Yafra press conference. He made the kind of Memfa. I need this and as a congratulations, Cassia, and come my man Penny, His Excellency Nanado Dampa, Ekufuado. Say Odi in Kunim, Ewo, Abatua, Yatono, 2020, Nimu. Odi Anoni Adofo. Emre Asu, say a Bema, a year in Tremu, I walk. And where they are friend food soldier and as a case will be a party member now. And Mriasu say a better than we ye Amagana for in a ato omutin. And Pembe Bray, a case party back and our food soldier. Bebre no we and say na every election machine will be taken. Sabio, ye use ye at the year elections. Yam would ye because and Pembe Bray no a say no creating say after elections piano. Na ye den ye yiyesi nchen agro no na ye nka ho biem ya yie pa esan se eba party nyuma bi to say ye bobo posters ye demonstrations ye call rallies any party ntuma e din posi ye be ko we ghettos ni ade nyina ye party ma e fe Food Soldiers nyina ani ye de omo ye se ntuma yi enso ya se eba se ye appointee obi ana ye pa obi se onkoda aban etuma bi so ana se ye mani di break of party mu a na ye yiye si nchen se ye de ye nka ho emre na so se ye nso ye beti ye ne ye part of decision making na eduba bi a manyo se mu no ana se aban mu no se ye hyehyɛ ya ye Food Soldiers nso no e wo se ye nte ye ne ya mano tu a ye fra no NPP. It's near Pierre and you say, yeah, near the best political party ever the whole Africa. A bano, a memoir, say, baby, moi, ye decline, and in the young one say, I can't live for, and my motto say, development in freedom. Now, Mama and Shadi, say, MPP over the years, no, actually, say, Banny, woman say, moi, yen ye decline. Se eba na pomuden se mu a ye na edikan eba ni mpuntuo se lorry kwan hasipiti a ye na edikan eba ne se ye kuayo so a ye na edikan aya esikasam ntutu ye yie so no ye na edikan se yanko kita ahyehyɛ a ye na edikan we mu nyina MPP dikan wo na mo de ya menuamo ne adofo ene se eba ne se ye mpre aya MPP ma ye yo a ene de ye MPP ko no enya ade wo as a party ni kai Food Soldiers ni party ma amrepa ye ko elections na ye stress sa suban no enne ne ya de bebe wie e pedifo se ye ni mi na ewu a ye nyadan ye nhwe na enti se ye pedinefo bi a mo ma ye nhwe elections free mobile. Niaja miamia bebrepo even President Dinkunim no. Ya appointees, any member of parliament no, edi inkukuo. Na sayanti eni anje Food Soldiers in kakra this na 2 mina hwehwe after 2024 no yanhwe ya akoboye. Ya de ye nsusu ye ene ne hwehwe nyina ne se Excellency Nanado Danko Ekufuado. Odini 4-year term ni wi a come January 7, 2025, no, or better than a memonama, a year MPP ni BM, the Yatwa, a memonism. Any Anumia of war. Tina Bakupa, Aya Ghana for title Abetia NPP. Am found Nanya Mapa, Yaban Bayer, to say a free SHSO, say NHISO, say a school feed, you know. Ghana for show on the two Abetia. Etina, Sa, Diana Quay say a two Abevia, party Nintin and show one year campaign and a Tumano. Obesha no bit Yamonana baby, I ain't seen it in that near man appointment. Sa near money been a year, a Yawa, yes, shall depend more on the two Abatia MPP. Into Yabasha, before time, no 2008, young name say Anka Yewini. In fact, ultimately, even after the second round, no, Atamo say we need just a mega margin. Let's say just a Ghana for the almost no a son say be a young to 2 years near my year. I did say young for young food soldiers and the party Manono and a ma Ecobadisa. Mumayan way. Now, Uncle Simra MPP. Ebe say, and yes, you better a Greek. Work yayo and answer Apumudin and our lawyer quine, no more Yabama Yeni, Apple food soldiers. A year Ghana for any party for any year and year. And yes, I yes, say, Bebre, and to that, near making sure, sir, a year about in Juma, ya pebia my party, ma. A bassa ya back row, I won't go to my same one, and was set party near buying a timuma or Municoya womb. Sasun a bassa, a biomobet my entity was schools training, and as you best year to be and was a party in Cheyenne. San a bassa say be a mass scholarship, and as a band to your fees of a party, ma. I was set a binding to me when you come say, party, ma benebi. Nayan said there be apply online. None of my men online. When you name Muntina Yamu Podia, and Kaya leadership of Afa, I am Mijil 7 in Amu to Dom dear, and Kayasus Yamudia, and Kiapesa Biabit scholarship secretariat. Any in fact with the NEIP, any mass lock near Deno, and Kawasa Omwa in Ajitumu say, when we all want Kuma food soldiers in a party, Mano, or money at Momosad, the piano, Yamafa. Yes, the Deputy Director of Communications, I am Mr. Yao Preko, and the Kofio for someone in Yakika was Sabina, and this Adibiamu, Ebema. In a war, your first time, and another one will be kind in Kofubi and good be a timid down with the year because post Kakro Munyano, Sabi Yawuni said. Omanfa anhwe omohune omobusia na emo omo ye adwuma no ma emfaso eba ye mu bi so e na edin a ye bobọ a edikan no emriti no mentimi nsa embopiem na ye kidi se sa afofo se enim se nyame adom ye nya even yate se president eye fitandura no was start people ye appointment. Yes, 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 for now, on the interest, and as I'm doing full soldier, yes, rep Bampenini party 24 said, on the moment near course uncle for appointments, and as appointees be Breno, acquire omonim full soldiers. Nay, no obia, Okon wire, because that's a line, and answer me, knew what me knew one, now will you be a qua or better yet, a while word. Now, Minka we mfencha to say a year after press conference and answer a year dia ye bobo ya na edi kan no ye pese ye entre Ghana fo nyina sa de ye opanyi bia anakuo bia enta ye ti se monko mati and answer dom ana mon lobby ma for position na mo a year collectively a platforms ni ye nkita wudie mu no ani ehun se ebi mu deserve se e come position into way ani ye se ye sabeka enyadom ni adofo ye da mu nyina ase eye media fo amoba ye gidi sa bobo ye ti dom MPP ekuo na ti dom no mo support na nado na mpuntu a Ghana for hwe no ye nsaka eye party full soldiers ene ya fa membership so ye da mu nyina ase na me
Obi
Powers. Okay, I interview here.
You mentioned your name and the media house.
Since we, and I said, Esan, Emria Yati Kuno, said them indeed 1 week here, but we're making enough strides. And I'm pleased to inform you, sir, we are not even ending our advocacy here. In fact, we made arrangement to present a petition or a copy of this to the office of the Chief of Staff and the General Secretary's office. And so right from this, no, the leadership of AFA is going to the office of the General Secretary. We understand it's not there, but our Mayobia, Yamfa, we know in Janu. That is our first step. Again, the office of the Chief of Staff, Amane, Eye Kutozwad, Eye special aide in charge of political affairs. Although he's also not around, no, there's somebody in Jubilee House, right after here, no, all can say Omubeti a petition. And they intend, say, after reading or going through this, they will engage leadership or membership of AFA, and then the interest now, yes, say, party and as a government, but here, no, on the decision table, no, we can assure you, say, the leadership will well advance the interest of members. Yeah, that was it. Now, second one, no, Ubusaya said, now, Ebia, Yanko appointed your members are. Yabe de Ebe Dana Bibiana. A year, His Excellency President Nana Kufuado. Ye Nimno. Oba party Nimno. Emerson first national organizer of the party. He is a foot soldier himself. And so he understands the language of foot soldiers. It's Yejidin Yawareshemu and Muse. Obeko ama foot soldiers into Betie. The last question, no, Obibusa said, Adentina after elections. There will be a case after elections, no campaign. Sana during elections, no, and your honor, Obe making demands, and now Obe Kasabi. The food soldiers there, their foremost interest and our commitment to the party is to help and ensure that our party, the New Patriotic Party, secures victory in any elections. That is our foremost goal and as a mission. Now that we've been able to secure that, it comes to the second motive for joining a political party. Sebio, a Christosome and our religion, and a case, our reward is in heaven. But in politics, our reward is right here on earth. So right after election, we are demanding what we also declared. Now, Kofio Fosu, it was my last but one paragraph. There is nobody behind us. Okay, say Food Soldiers president. Yes, as awarded by Food Soldier because of the work he's been doing. The group, Yantia Mobia, and Food Soldiers and Yakaya Wabu. And if we did not set up this group, you have positions. We are coming to defend and demand or fight for the interests of food soldiers. Yeah, yes, president was it's just formality and your position, and then we are.
Media.
Just media. Well, remember, forum.
They can appeal to president.
Alpha. To be frank, some media people in short notice, any food soldiers from all over the country, it's in Bessiasi. We are in this together, and I will say Afa is here to stay. Afa will have one voice. Send a bear in a penny be a beban, if you best see so. It's Madame Asibi Brisa Mobile. The Becos I engage him with prepare a young piano. Naman Yambre, Namababisia. Naniaka ni na so leadership ni members ni na so stress o man panyize ni enyim no obeti ase na bibia ye kama ama fusu des ye da masi bibri
Wow, we saw what happened when you walk at that. Wow, so I tell you, I was two now, I mean, so we should be able to have a problem now. I was there, Shaz, you could be Shaz, the bow, which I guess there was a bit now we're there, but I'm power coach, I'm not Shaz, as we do, I'm very business. I'm very was a few as the land I didn't come here. I'm all about Jack and I was so we are coming to you. And we told you about some of the big down some of us watching that point. He said, about that, I'm not going to come. That's what we are doing. On back to the back, that's what I was saying. Then you make the two people are two women and what to do now. I'm not doing that with you. And when that was it. So we are doing that. That was
Media for media, we are ready to take their media for
media for we are not He is from the Coastal Development Authority. Alliance of Foot Soldiers Advocacy, AFA, the Boys of the Boys. It is from a network. Launching AFA, the we are going up here. The son of the Foot Soldiers, and the robbery, the best to work on the path. Using AFA of the year, AFA, the Boys of the Boys. AFA.
Voice for the voiceless.
AFA.
Voice for the voiceless.
My name, Open William. Open William. Oh, Mama.